Hey, I'm Cassie Woodforth, a digital strategist at Neighborhood, and welcome to episode 1 of HubSpot for Beginners. If you're brand new to HubSpot, let's start with the basics, how to create a deal. Got leads, but no idea how to track them? Let's fix that. So we're gonna navigate over to the deals. So we're gonna do CRM, deals, and then head over to your sales pipeline. From here, we go add deals, create new, and then this is where you can chuck in your name for the deal, the pipeline it should sit under, what stage it is at, who owns the deal, what the close date is, so we might expect this to happen at the end of September, and then how much is the opportunity. Then from here, you just associate any contacts or companies. A lot of these properties can be automatically populated as well, but we'll touch on that in the future. But once you're happy with it, then you just hit create. And now you've got your deal. Congrats, you've just created your first deal in HubSpot. If you're feeling stuck or you need a hand getting started, we're here to help. Book a free chat with us in the link in the description. We're HubSpot experts and we help businesses like yours. Next up, we'll show you how to associate contacts and companies to your deals so everything stays connected. See you in episode 2.